But this east wind is getting nasty. They said it would get up to 30 or 35 miles an hour, and I'd say it's maybe 20 right now, but it's just the snow in your face. Hey, good morning everybody. It is a beautiful sunny day, chilly. It feels like winter, and in fact we've got snow on the way. So we're out here feeding the cows round bales, and we're going to put down straw. Looks like we may have the biggest snowstorm of the year headed our direction over the next 5 or 6 days. We're probably 3 weeks from the first cows calving. We'll be getting the leading prospects in the maternity pen as soon as the storm is over. Well, daybreak, we've got some big flakes. So up against the building here, we've got two things we like. We're out of the east wind, and we've got the new camera looking right down here on the cows. We're hoping they'll bed down right here out of the wind for the night. There, now you can see under with the new camera, the straw we spread and the 2 bales. Well, you can see the wind is still blowing pretty hard. We're coming out to actually clean the driveway. Dawn's got the tractor started, and this is really heavy, wet snow. We must be in the vicinity of 10 inches maybe. And the forecast is for waves of snow to continue the rest of today and through the night, and then for a good part of tomorrow. Yes, it's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy now. If it wasn't this morning, it is now.
Yeah, and it's all melting off the roof into this.
Whoa, whoa, slow down. Goofy. Little Miss Piggy.
But this east wind is getting nasty. They said it would get up to 30 or 35 miles an hour, and I'd say it's maybe 20 right now, but it's just the snow in your face. So we're coming out to feed the cows another round bale. Boy, they ate those entirely, basically finished those 2 round bales overnight.
You didn't even get up when I put that bale down. You just stayed right there.
They're ignoring the straw we put down here yesterday in the foreground, and they're just going out to eat. Probably because the barn, you can see the barn wall right over here on the side, is blocking the east wind. Well, it's afternoon of the 3rd day. You can see it's drifted in quite a bit here. Dawn just walked out, but it's snowed about 3 or 4 inches since we shoveled this morning, and we're at somewhere on the high side of 13 inches. ground is kind of soft underneath and it's really hard to plow in these conditions. But if you look right there, you see a little notch, and that's the leveler on the bucket. And if you just get it a little bit above level, then the front of the blade is up in the air and you're less likely to dig into the ground. So let's see if that works. You can see I've just got it above level on the leveler notch. Not hard to do this, to shoot and keep that bucket down. And there's rocks and stuff out there too, so I'm always a little nervous about banging into one of those. And right as I get down low, I lift it up a little bit. I know there's rocks right there. And then dump it. There, that was pretty successful. So I'm back out here in the horse pen. And it's really deep back here. I feel like we've got an entire winter's snow that's built up in one weekend. So it just takes a little bit of time. Normally we'd be doing this much plowing, you know, 2 tractors, maybe once a year, and sometimes not even that. And it's a lot of snow at one time to move. You can see as I'm working around the water tank, the herd is all gathered here because there's still quite a wind out of the north. And if you look out there, you see Dawn is plowing a path back to the windbreak, and we're going to go out there and put out additional straw for them after we're done plowing here. They've got a bunch of round bales out there, but they don't feel like going out to eat right now. I think they're just staying out of the wind. I don't know how long this wind's going to last before they go out and eat. So it's daybreak. There's still a brisk wind out of the northwest, and it looks like we've only gotten another ½ inch of snow overnight. So that should bring our total to about 13 inches. Although the wind is starting to blow things around a little bit. Let's get outside. Oh. Here's your apple treat. That's not an apple, that's a camera. Come on. Well, so that's the storm for March. 13 inches of snow here, as much as 21 up the road a bit within 10 miles. This is going to put a little bit of a dent in the drought. We were about 60 inches down in snow, so it hasn't erased the drought, but this is really going to help and gives our spring crops a fighting chance. Thanks for watching. We'll be back to working on that spreader next. We'll see you then.
Especially across our northern Minnesota through tonight and into tomorrow morning. So up in Coochin County, Itasca, northern St. Louis counties, snow will continue to fall tonight, meaning road conditions probably won't be perfect tomorrow.